Yo, what is up guys? It's me here, Stanley, back with our video. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the MSI Optix G271 monitor that I recently received on Black Friday. So this review is about a week old, I'd say, and I'm telling you guys about the week I've had this monitor, how it's felt, and yeah, let's go over the product real quick. So this monitor comes in an MSRP of $200, but I picked it up for $169.99, so it's a pretty good deal, I believe. And for the features it packs, I think $200 is a very good price. It's 27 inches, only 1080p, but for $200, you're not gonna get a 1440p monitor. And it also has a 144Hz display, and it's IPS, which means good viewing angles. They claim on the website for it to be 178 degrees, and has good color accuracy compared to other gaming panels because IPS is just usually superior to TN and VA in color, but usually slower in response time. However, MSI claims a 1 millisecond response time, but I can't really tell on any monitor, honestly, and I don't even know if that's true, but yeah. Unfortunately, the monitor is only FreeSync compatible, but G-Sync monitors tend to be more expensive than this, which is kind of a bummer because FreeSync is like on everything. And the monitor has tiny bezels. You can barely see the outer border. It's very small in this monitor. And on their website, there was some sort of night vision mode, so if your screen was really dark, it would have some AI thing make it brighter for you. I don't know if that works or not, but that's what they say. And there's pretty large angle adjustment on this monitor. I think it's like -5 to 20 degrees or something. And it has anti-flicker technology, supposedly giving you less eye strain, and also reduces blue light according to MSI. Now for the I/O on this monitor, you have 2 HDMI ports, 1 display port, and the monitor looks to be VESA mountable if you are thinking about that. Now that's basically the product in general. $200, 1080p, 144Hz, IPS. So in paper, it looks to be a really good monitor. So let's get into the unboxing experience. So overall, I thought the unboxing experience was pretty good, especially at this price point. So you open the box, it's filled with foam. There's like a fragile paper thing on top. And I managed to wiggle out the box, the styrofoam out of the box. And when you open up the product or the monitor, it's all wrapped in some sort of wrapping. It feels pretty nice, I'd say. And let's get to the stock mount for the monitor. I think it's pretty high quality for whatever. For $200 at least. It's very high quality. It's made of metal, and the bottom part is very grippy on my desk. However, the other part is just plastic, but it also feels pretty solid. But getting a full metal bottom part of your monitor mount is pretty good, especially. It just feels nice, you know, you could hit someone in the head and they probably get knocked out. Also in the box, you get an HDMI cable that does support 144Hz out of the box, so you do not need to buy like another cable to utilize the full potential of this monitor. And you get some sort of cover for the monitor stand that like you put onto the things. I don't know, but yeah. And you get a power brick that plugs into the monitor with the power cable. Quick start and warranty manual, and a thank you card if you guys needed that. Attaching the monitor onto the stock monitor stand is pretty simple. You get their included screws, you screw in the plastic stand part, and then you use the included screw with some sort of thumb thing, and you screw on the bottom part onto the rest of the monitor. Now, for my opinions and experience with this, there is a little bit of ghosting on this monitor, but I don't think it's much of a deal breaker at this point. And when I first turned on the monitor on fastest mode, there was some sort of green, like, it looked green shifted somewhat, but then as I used it more, I went back on fastest mode, and then it worked perfectly fine, so I don't really know what happened there. So yeah, esports gaming is definitely possible on this monitor, I'd say. I'm not the greatest gamer in the world, but yeah, the color range is pretty good for the price range. You're getting IPS, so you can probably do some entry-level color-sensitive work if you needed to. And I'm 100% pleased with the performance of this monitor. It's definitely in that sweet spot for what you would want for esports. It's $200 and you're getting 144 Hz IPS at 1080p, which is definitely pretty good. And the monitor is base mountable, which you don't see on every budget monitor at all. So yeah, that's my opinion on this thing. It's a very nice monitor for the price. TLDR for the pros. There's good build quality. You get a metal monitor stand. You get good performance for the price. 144 Hz IPS, so it's good colors, and it's 144 Hz. It's base mountable and pretty feature rich. You get those like random things. You get like the middle gaming FPS thingies. I don't even know, but like they have that. And then for cons, I did have some backlight bleed on my model, but it's not horrible. And slight ghosting, which is definitely not a deal breaker at this point. So yeah, that's my take on this monitor. I think it's worth a pickup or worth a look at if you're looking in the market for a 1080p 144 Hz display. And it's IPS. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed that video, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And by the way, this video is not sponsored. Adios. I'm not peeking.
Yeah.
Just audio it. Smoking? You can throw a nitro, throw a nitro. If you want.
15 seconds.
He's prone. He's gonna push in somewhere.
Wait.
Nice.
Friendly's victorious. Hostiles eliminated.
Super shorty that way, dude.
Hash?
He's in church. Yeah, go hash. Stop hash,
Or-
stop hash.
Watch
Alright.
Legion.
Go hash.
He's not in sight. He's in Moto. Yeah, I'm gonna go for corner, right?
He was on site.
You seen him? Seen him?
It's clear.
I'm smoking.
Legion in hallway. I don't want to repeat when I don't know where he is.
The dock.
Okay, Legion's still inside. Legion's still in.
Literally.
That's K,
Nice.
let's go for other side. I'm going around the side. I'm planning.
I'm smoking.
Yo.
Planting.
He's in church. 50?
Full angles.
75?
15
100%.
seconds left.
You still have your jack.
Diffuser is active. Protected at all costs.
Nice.
Good job.
Oh my god, you scared me.
Friendly
Yeah,
mission
GG, man.
successful.
GG, man. And roll back.